never forget where you're coming from. Kingston go set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Sean is watch it.
Blue hole. Yeah. Yeah, so it's whenever we got tubing, slide jump on the river, and official tubing down. Yeah man, blue hole itself. Come talk me here. Feel the thing when you come here, so. So it work. I'm chicken with a jerk. Yeah?
We all did it.
I saw you. Very brave. This tree, 168 years old.
It's like 168 years old.
Ah.
You guys can stand in front of it so I can get a photo.
It's a grandpa.
I could take it to one that is 300 years old.
Yeah?
It's a cotton tree, yeah.
Alright. We there.
Yeah, there's a country here now. There are a photo over there.
168 years old.
Wow.
This tree.
Alright, Alpha. Currently I'm going up.
Hey everybody,
prayers,
how you doing? Good. I hope you're all doing good. We're doing good. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, another vlog. It's early, people. It's early morning. It's, what time is it? 9:30?
That me say.
9:30, and we've just done an airport drop off. So we're in Montego Bay at the moment. We've just done an airport drop off. So we kind of finished work for the day, right?
Maybe until
unless we get another call. So this is like a this is a quick job. Guys, we've been so busy, man, so busy. That's why you don't see the vlogs going up, and we're so busy. We're booked out every single day, but we give thanks for it. Yeah, we give thanks for it. So while we're in Montego Bay, there's this place I really want to check out. This like restaurant. They do breakfast there. Marina Palms.
Something like that.
Yeah, I think it's a yacht club or something. So while we're in Marbella, we've got a bit of time. We're gonna go check it out. So yeah, come along, guys. Yeah.
Zoom forward. I don't know what thing go down. Round the way swing go.
So yes, guys, we've just, you see the Marina Palms, Montego Bay Yacht Club. Okay, you can see all the yachts. So, guess what? Marina Palms was closed, people. I'm so vexed. I really wanted to go there. They usually open about 7 for breakfast, but apparently they're not open till 12 o'clock today. So, yeah. So guess where we're going for breakfast, people? I'm so this is the only place we can find. Look where we are. Look, Burger King. So people, no nice Jamaican breakfast this morning like I was expecting because the place is closed. So this is what it is: Burger King breakfast, pancake, egg and hash browns. Not quite the breakfast I was expecting.
Egg wedge.
Yeah, egg wedge. Yeah.
Yeah, my people. You know, Kingston right there. Come from Beachwood Avenue. We pass one so we can get run a check down. Radio station. Edge 105.3. It work. International. So you know what thing go? Edge 105.3. So we have to tap Mr. TV. Don't leave we. Run much of place that them control the place in the one time, man. Get all the information and all these things. You never wrong. Yeah, just Edge 103.3. And we are that Mr. TV. So we say don't leave we. Yeah.
Very,
Well, we got an outlaw in the studio too.
You see outlaw,
outlaw.
Yeah, man, outlaw, big up
From
yourself.
datmisehtv.
Yeah, man. That me say.
TV.
Yeah, man. Big up that me say TV.
Oh,
You must say that was right on the studio. My papa studio, man in the road, you know.
Cool, man.
Respect a man in the studio. That me say.
Cool,
That
that
me
me
So
say.
say.
continue with the thing.
Well, I just want to play the song for his wife.
So we are in Discovery Bay. We are at Ultimate Jet Center in Discovery Bay, right opposite Green. Is it Green Bottle Cave?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right across, yeah, right across it.
Yes, so we took a little, we snuck out, we took a little time out to
Hold a little vibe.
come and hold a little vibe. It's been a long time.
I listen to music and them something.
Yeah, gonna eat, have a little bit of chicken, jerk chicken, and chill out, and yeah,
Hold a vibe.
enjoy the evening vibes.
So
Yeah.
you know, it's around the restaurant. Good.
I have to wait. I don't even know. It looks big there, guys. I have to show this. So we're at the Ultimate Jet place, right? I've ordered quarter chicken, $750. But I don't know. I think the camera makes it look too big. Look how small this is. This is the smallest. What is this?
What that?
What is this? It's tiny.
Quarter chicken.
Quarter chicken, $750.
Joke to blood.
This is the smallest chicken I ever seen.
Joke this.
Honestly,
You never get this stuff on the back chicken again.
this is the smallest I've ever seen.
Never get this
Jerk
stuff on
chicken.
back chicken.
$750 for this. Look how tiny it is.
It's my money.
Guys, we've left Ultimate Jet Center. Oh my god. Yeah, it was a bit of a letdown to be honest because the food.
I'm sorry, I got the money for it at all.
Yeah, I know what you say.
Yeah, food, Not the money's worth.
Definitely not.
And I'm a little vibes when I'm saying I have every mountain down there. I'm going down there while I go, Jesus Christ, Master God, flying cockroach. And no, sir, we can't manage that. No, sir. People run me from down there, man. And I could move that. That's a good look for the first mountain when them start out.
Yes.
That's me out, man.
Yeah, guys, you know what? The first thing was the food, right? It's the smallest. You would have seen it. It's the smallest quarter jerk chicken I've ever. I don't even know where they got that leg and thigh from. It's the smallest jerk chicken I've ever had.
It looks
$750.
like a pigeon them cut up. Like, yeah,
It look like a pigeon.
yeah, they cut up pigeon, you know.
Yeah.
You can see the little wing and the little leg and the little something. Yeah, like some pigeon, like a little bird.
Yeah.
And a big bird.
Guys, it was so small. It was not worth, and it wasn't worth the money. It wasn't worth the money. Like, it was not even. It was tasted okay. It was alright. You know, just alright. It wasn't great. Yeah. So I haven't been to that Ultimate Jerk place for years. Maybe about 15 years was the last time I went. Yeah, but nah, I'm a bit disappointed with that. Disappointed with the food.
Look, I just today, you know,
maybe just today.
I just today one vibe that today, but
Yeah.
but I don't know.
Yeah, it could be just
that
today.
Ultimate that officially.
Yeah, well,
Nah.
you know Ultimate for a long time.
What do you mean, man? For a long time you have to run a place, man. You know, you had even Ultimate for Ultimate before it named Ultimate. It was African Drug Center them time there. Yeah, African. Yeah, tall black brother with Soroka kind of. And the film that first thing. We also carry chicken go sell them and pork because we used to sell them thing there. We used to raise pork and raise pig and chicken down at the store way. African were the one that thing there before them. Used to buy from the people that were living in the city. My people there. This jail them and them. Yeah. So I have something there. I don't know. I never plan for that.
Yeah,
I never see that.
guys, it was a bit of a letdown to be honest. So the food, no, and the vibes. I know it's the first Saturday back retro and stuff, but I think the vibes, they could have put a nicer vibe in there.
Did they have a music video on them something?
Yeah, they were just showing music videos.
We
To
just
be honest.
up on
And I'm
TV
not
every
saying
day.
it won't be nice, but I think it would have been nice to be a nicer vibe. But we just ended up leaving. So, well, that's our Saturday night.
So music video on TV every day, Rasta. We never go to consider that now.
Yeah, true.
Alright, come on.
We're on the way home, guys. It's raining outside. It's a wet one, but we're on the way home.
Yeah. So go on
yeah,
minute, then I'll go in.
that's what it is.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.